Hi everyone, welcome back to day 9 of MBA Before MBA series, where today we will talk about your visual branding, your business formals, and how attire makes a significant difference in your final evaluation. So, in B School, your attire is actually a part of your evaluation, and it sounds harsh, but it's the global reality. If you show up to a guest lecture by a McKinsey partner in a t shirt, then you have already lost the vibe check. So, today we are fixing your visual branding. I'm going to show you a clip of my own blazer collection, which I have curated to ensure that I always look boardroom ready. But don't worry, it also has some Ranveer Singh style blazers as well, which I pair to my informal parties. But more importantly, I am giving you this search keywords that designers use so that you don't have to waste hours in the malls or on the digital platforms searching for that right product. The entire internet is filled with people who are suggesting you what to wear, what color combinations, what's the perfect thing, but no one, literally no one tells you exactly what is that keyword which you need to search for so that you end up getting that exact product. And in this video, we'll help you with that. A plain black suit often looks like a school uniform or a wedding guest outfit, but to look like a business mature candidate, you need texture. So I'm going to give you some keywords which you can search and you will definitely end up getting that business formal look. So stop searching for office suit. Instead, use these keywords for textures. The number one keyword which you can use is shark skin, a very smooth but two-toned fabric that really looks incredibly expensive but is not costing you a fortune. The second one is bird's eye, a tiny dotted pattern that adds depth and signals you kind of carry some authority with you. बर्ड्स आई है, अगर आपको खोज कर ना मिले तो कोई बात नहीं, जब आप किसी चीज को देख रहे हो तो यू कैन सर्च कि वो बर्ड्स आई पैटर्न में है या नहीं. यू कैन यूज एआई फॉर इट ऑल्सो. देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज द प्रिंस ऑफ वेल्स चेक. ये बहुत कॉमन है, हर जगह मिलेगा, आप खुद ही गूगल कर लो, यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ इट. Then comes the cuts. So the keywords you need to use for the cuts is single breasted, notched lapel, and double vented for that back. ओके, टेक्निकल टर्म्स है आई नो, बट ट्रस्ट मी, आप ये सर्च करोगे तो यू विल बी एबल टू मेक अ शार्प सिलवेट फॉर योर सेल्फ. Just like that, a shirt isn't just a shirt. The collar and the fabric weight decides if you look crisp or crumpled by the lunchtime. तो फैब्रिक सर्च करने के लिए आप टू प्लाई कॉटन या हेरिंग बोन वीव चेक कर सकते हो. दीज फैब्रिक्स आर थिकर एंड दे कैन होल्ड द शेप for the long hours. For collar, men, you can go and search for spread collar or cutaway collar. They look the best with a tie. And for women, you guys can go for mandarin collar or hidden placket for a very sleek and minimalist formal look. For the colors beyond white, you can search for ice blue, ecru, or lavender. Avoid bright colors. Stay in the midnight or pastel range to maintain your executive presence. For the men, trouser mastery is really, really important. Please stop searching for regular pants. Instead, start searching for flat front trousers or something in the material of super 100 wool or cotton twill. ये flat front trousers तो बिल्कुल ही याद रख लें. And also for the fit part, you can go for mid-rise or quarter top pockets. Okay, this will help you carry yourself for a longer period of time also, and काफी consultant type look भी आएगी. For women, you guys can go for formal bottoms, and for that it's not necessarily always pants. You can go for a skirt, but सिर्फ skirt search करना is too broad, right? So you can search for high waist pencil skirt with a back vent. This vent is, of course, allows you quite a lot of movement. Okay, at the same time gives you a very sleek look. And for trousers, you can go for straight leg trousers with a front crease. ये front crease बहुत interesting है क्योंकि it makes you look very very executive kind of thing, formal pant look. But one thing which you need to keep in mind is please 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 avoid leggings or any skinny fits. वहीं जब वन पीस ड्रेसेस की बात करूं तो यू कैन यूज द कीवर्ड्स लाइक शीथ ड्रेस और ए लाइन ड्रेस. People say that your shoes decide your level of executive presence. So for women, search for the keywords pointed toe pumps or block heel coat shoes in nude or black color preferably. And if you prefer flats, then search for pointed loafers in patent leather. That's the best suit for you. वहीं मेन के लिए, इफ यू ऑलरेडी हैव ऑक्सफर्ड्स विथ यू लाइक कैप्टो ऑक्सफर्ड्स, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई होल कट ऑक्सफर्ड्स. ये दोनों डेफिनेटली आपके फॉर्मल वार्डरोब के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दैट लुक्स यू मेक्स यू लुक रियली इनक्रेडिबली स्लीक. And for the accessories, well, a minimalist watch, that is the best thing you can go for. Men, for the tie, search for the keyword silk grenadine. Very beautiful texture and not even overly shiny. And for the women's formal accessories, I would suggest you a structured tote in case you want to carry your laptop, anything similar like that. For earrings, stud earrings, okay, even I use stud earrings. And please avoid anything that clinks when you walk, okay. And सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट पे आते हैं, which is the grooming standard hair. So presence isn't just about your clothes, it's also about grooming. And for women's hairstyle, I would prefer you going with a sleek low bun or a polished blowout like this, just a polished one. These are gold standards, but definitely try to keep an anti-frizz serum with you so that you keep yourself neat during that long hours also. For men, you guys can search for a classic side part or a taper fade. Okay, use a matte clay instead of a shiny gel to make yourself look more professional and not oily at the same time. So as you see, right, so far you must have understood that I would prioritize a fit over the brand. किसी brand specific नहीं चाहती हूँ, but ये definitely कहना चाहती हूँ कि fit पे ध्यान दे. And for maintaining this, you can get yourself a garment steamer. Irons can ruin your expensive blazer fabrics, so steamer keeps them shiny and fresh in case you don't have access to regular laundry service. And finally, coming up with the fact that visual branding is easiest way to signal that you're ready for your dream corporate role. And I have put this exhaustive list of keywords in the description and as well as in my Telegram group so that you can copy paste from there directly into your search bars. So abhi tak Telegram group join nahi kiya, to go join it for free right now. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for day 10 and many much more valuable insights. So see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.